Birthday ni
Tama,
19 na sa Tuesday si
August, what was it din?
August 16.
Oo, sunod-sunod yung mga
13, 16.
Birthday ng kapatid ko, 15.
I remember yesterday, Mark, tapos Jaren, Rain, then me. And we went like this, as like selfie with the mirror. 17 lines.
Yeah. But I was happy na
Yeah,
bumalik si Mark. And then, yung nakita ko kayong apat, mga 17, na nagsama ulit, na nagbond ulit. It felt light, everything, at least, you know.
Yeah, it felt a bit too soon though.
Yeah, super. Yun yung topic namin ni Rain yesterday dito. Habang umiiyak kami.
Yeah, I purposely went
Yeah.
inside. Last night, no, couldn't. Today, I can handle it a bit.
So, umiiyak kami tapos tumatawa at the same time. Voluntary pala tunog.
I asked Rain that question. It's like, after showering, did you enter this show voluntarily? Nalimutan ko rin na I did this to myself.
So,
Napaisip tuloy.
ang dami ko. But they will say, when we come out, we become more disciplined, more determined, more strong. So, first week pa lang, grabe na yung pagsubok natin.
Fourth day.
Actually, first week was way harder than kung ano man nangyayari ngayon.
But kasi nung iniisip ko din sa first week, walang umalis talaga. I mean, yung during that time.
Yeah. But yung
Imagine,
emotion,
masaya tayo kahit wala tayong food. As long as complete tayong lahat. Yun lang.
I guess it was extra harder first week because, of course, first impressions, everyone was being nice.
Yeah.
Everyone was, no problem muna.
Yeah. Wala pa
That's
masyado.
why it's harder.
Yeah. Because you feel like you're crushing someone's dream. Because you feel like everyone deserves this.
Tapos yung reason, so shallow.
Yeah.
I don't
That's why I
know.
feel so stupid every time I do the...
Me too. That's why I don't like it.
The alcohol thing.
okay lang yan. Pagdating ng punong tatawanan lang natin.
Or even laughing. Ako, I laugh about it na.
I'll bash myself.
Grabe yung iyak ko noon. May mga I can't lose you pa ako na lines. Can't lose you too. Na ako. Diyos ko.
The parents.
The parents.
Oh, Kuya Briggs.
Tapos literally naka-blue si Kuya Briggs. Tapos si Mami Noemi naka-pink.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ganda ng polo niya.
Black top, pink.
Skirt.
Oh,
I
then
remember
blue
the-
top.
Teacher scene. Nahulog si Ate Noemi.
If we were given at least 4 days, like let's say they posted that, tapos 4 days, maybe we would have,
Won the challenge.
If sabay-sabay yun.
If Monday sabay nag-shoot, tas Tuesday yung 6 minutes.
More time, more
But 6 minutes? Muntik na mag-100k yun. So,
Pero shock pa rin ako kasi akala ko makuha talaga natin.
yeah, I remember. Tapos nakalimutan ko pa na it's per video. So I was already happy with the first one. So, we already got it? We already got it?
Actually. Na 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 na.
Pa-dessert that natin si Jazz. Di siya kasali kanina.
Sige.
Para malibang-libang.
Sige.
Naalala po ba yung mga pinag-usapan natin? Nakalimutan ko na. Yun yung
Short
pinakauna,
hair
no?
or long
Leather
hair?
denim.
Like sa girl, long.
Leather denim.
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 Don't influence her.
I'm not. I'm just
Hindi,
guessing.
kasi feeling ko mas maano ko din yung denim.
I'm guessing as well.
Yeah.
Gold or silver?
Gold.
Yeah.
White or black? Black.
Kami na yung nag-answer
Oh,
para
kayo na
sa'yo.
mag-answer for me. Tapos sasabihin ko na lang kung mali or not.
Who knows at the jazz better?
Pizza or burger?
Pizza.
Oh, doon tayo nagkaiba.
Ooh. I'm a burger person.
Gusto ko burger pag may bacon.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like pickles on your burger? Same.
Personally, I don't care.
I mean, yeah. Basta may bacon.
I don't really
And
check
masarap
it.
yung sauce.
Movie or series?
Ooh. Series.
Like long ones or...
I don't mind.
Oh. I know some
Denim or
people.
corduroy?
Whoa.
Wow. Denim.
I thought it was gonna be hard.
Leather or corduroy?
None of the cotton.
Or dance?
Dance.
Aw.
I
Acting
feel
or
like-
modeling?
Sorry because I can't sing. Acting.
Naka-inspire tayo na mismong si Kuya Brix nagsabi na ang tapang niyo, believe niyo ako sa inyo, I mean, mahal ko kayo, doon pa. Parang, di ba, iba yung connection natin pag nadadala natin dito sa bahay na. Yun, eto na yun. We're starting to influence them na doon way. Unang-una pumasok naman tayo dito, hindi naman para pinakamamuno sa bahay, ang kinintong ba. Hindi naman tayo ganun.
Yeah.
Diba? Our root is or yung roots talaga natin dito is to inspire people. Na we share our story, magpakatotoo, na eto kami. Pero, yun, very fulfilling yung nangyari today. Babalikan ko lang, or si Kuya Brix and si Blige, or they had accountability na to that.
They have the
what
courage na
happened.
to accept.
Oo, to accept, diba? Nagkataon lang na natapos muna yung weekend bago nangyari. But come to think of it, nangyari din yun dahil may dahilan. And they also process din yung mga nangyari. At maybe eye-opener sa kanila yung nasa sitwasyon din natin sila. Kaya, sige, I have to say sorry. Totoo naman yun, it can be a factor eh. But it's also a day talaga ng acceptance din, knowing Kuya Brix is gay. Tapos inamin niya sa atin. Actually, nakakakutob na ako nung may aaminin ako, ganyan. Oo. So sabi ko, parang it's really a mixed emotion today na, di ba, parang iba yung morning nagising natin, lalo ko, game changer. Eh, hindi lang pala yung nomination yung game changer, yung buong Sunday natin, yung buong araw natin pala.
Talaga.
Maraming
masashock. Dito din, inside.
Oo, game changer talaga siya.
Maraming magulang.
Nakakatuwa. Yeah, and I guess we just have to be good people lang talaga. Be kind kasi we never know anong struggle ng mga
Yeah.
nakapaligid sa atin or kasama natin dito sa bahay.
Well, kind naman tayo sa lahat.
Oo.
Nagdedepende na lang din yun kung
Paano
tinatrato din tayong mabuti. Ganun naman yan.
It's a two-way street naman eh.
Siyempre, pag hindi kind sa atin, di ba?
Hindi mo
Kailangan
tigong.
natin yung ano.
I can feel dang na... Tingnan mo. Ako, I see it na, for example, hindi tayo inside this house. And then may ganyang struggle si Kuya Brix. I don't think na basa-basa niya i-open. Kasi maybe in-open niya yun sa iba. Kasi nakakita na siya ng kakampi at pwede maging, di ba sabi ni Kuya Brix, he felt bad nung parang may hindi pagkakaunawan. Kasi kung meron ditong una magkakaunawan, dapat tayo muna. Tayong tatlo, di ba? Parang,
Yeah.
may common denominator eh. Tapos, di ba? So, naging inspiration tayo for him na you know, nakakatawa. And imagine the story of having 9 years relationship. Kung 10, alam mo yan.
It's going here.
At alam mo yan na matibay na yung... I mean, ang hirap ng pakawalan ng ganyan, di ba? And I'm very proud of you. Kung ano din yung shinare mo. Actually, it may be indirect, but I'm just proud kung paano mo siya shinare, kung ano yung mga words na dapat mo
Tama ba?
i-share.
Kasi kinakabahan ako eh. Parang
You
too much ba?
don't need to give or drop,
Oo naman.
ha? Pero